Okay, so if you have a pool, you already know cleaning it is one of those things that sounds simple until you actually have to do it. So I picked up this telescopic pool pole along with this heavy-duty skimmer net, and I wanted to show you how they work together and what makes each one worth it. Starting with the pole, this is a 16-foot telescopic aluminum pole, and one of the first things I noticed is how easy it is to extend. You can adjust it pretty much to any length you need, which makes a huge difference depending on what you're doing, whether you're skimming the surface, brushing the sides, or reaching the bottom. And then when you don't need it fully extended, you can collapse it back down so it's not awkward to store or handle. And then when you don't need it fully extended, you can collapse it back down so it's not awkward to store or handle. One thing people always ask about these is, does it feel sturdy or flimsy? And this one actually feels pretty solid when it's extended. It does slightly sway when you're in the water and it's fully extended, but I don't feel like it's going to break. As I'm standing above the retaining wall, you can see I barely have to bend down to reach the bottom of our 7.5-foot pool. That's honestly one of the biggest benefits, being able to clean without having to lean all the way over or strain your back. So if you have a deeper pool or any kind of height difference around it, this makes a big difference. Now pairing that with the skimmer, this is a deep mesh net, and you can see it holds a lot more debris compared to the flatter nets. So instead of constantly stopping to empty it, you can scoop more in one go, which makes cleaning way faster. Now here I'm just using the pole with a brush to dissolve salt in the pool because when it clumps like that, you really don't want it sitting at the bottom. This is where having a sturdy adjustable pole really matters. You can apply pressure without feeling like it's going to bend or slip. Couple of things people usually wonder. Will this fit different attachments? Yes, it works with standard pool heads like brushes, vacuums, and skimmers. Is the net durable? The mesh is really fine but still strong, so it catches smaller debris without tearing easily. Is it worth getting both? Honestly, yes. They kind of serve different purposes but work best together. Overall, this is one of those setups that just makes pool maintenance easier. You got the reach, the control, and the ability to clean efficiently without making it harder on yourself.